Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa. What I have said in a heavily Scottish accented Te Reo Māori is a little ditty about the morning, and we're here as the birds rise and sing in the dawn of the morning, filled with anticipation for the life that is expectant in the day. So we are here, expectant for some great things. I've greeted the local people of the land, the people whose ancestral land we are standing and sitting on today. I've greeted those who are visiting us from outside, some special guests today, welcome. I have shared some support and our acknowledgement of the support for the kaupapa, or the background and ethos of RAMP Festival, specifically the Design Breakfast and Wintec Media Arts generally. And I've introduced myself. I'm Brian Square from Chow Architects, and I've given you a general welcome to you all. So enjoy this morning. I'm going to hand over shortly. Tēnā koutou, and welcome.